First Class Travel presents South Australia. On the southern coastline bordering Victoria and Western Australia, you'll find a land where dramatic desert ranges meet green rolling hills and white sandy beaches. A laid-back hub of tight-knit communities and adventurous spirit, South Australia has something for everyone. It's known as one of Australia's premier wine destinations, but it also offers amazing surfing, golf, wildlife encounters and outback exploration. Subscribe to our channel for more first-class travel inspiration.